videos of that one Honda.
The cool POV.
Yeah. We'll send you this motherfucker so you can show all his war buddies. Look how deep that shit is. That shit's getting deep, bro. And he's gonna be all nice and dry though back there. He's up on the high shelf tonight. He don't even get his legs wet. Cooler's almost gone. It's deep right here. Woo! Almost to my foot. Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. That's a deep little hole too.
You want me to splash you? Get some water effects.
Get some water effects. Hey, what you gotta do, because he's videotaping, you gotta show off. That's right, boys. South Florida. We got the Busch Light line, baby. Hell yeah. Get it, Dustin. Hell yeah. It's a good walk good. Doing some roundabout things, some roundabout life. Yeah! Bring that fucker up! I'll edit it up and actually throw it in. I love little like 9-minute videos sometimes. They be hitting hard. Sometimes definitely got in some water, bro. It's definitely nice. I know, that's what I just did. Putting my hand on. Andy, you gotta feed me, brother. Hold on, we gotta get on the video. Cheers! He's behind us? You made it? That's a bad hole. That shit can be a bad hole. This bill requires 2 hands to drive it. Tight, tight turn. Nope, you got that shit. You in with a pro, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Went nice tonight.
Guys, we out here. Rob taking us out in a tropical fucking storm.
Baby. Hey, is that what we're supposed to get?
Yeah. This is the start of it, Rob. Dog. We had a tropical storm.
Damn, this shit's overgrown as a motherfucker.
Rob Dog to trim that shit up.
I ain't got the bowling tonight, buddy. And we ditching this bitch. Going this way.